Today we're going to look at how to make this cool graphic. It's only going to take us about 90 seconds. All right, let's jump right in. We have here a new blank Canva presentation. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to change the background color to black. Then let's go and add our text. And we'll change the font type to Anton. And I'm just going to go with the word impact, because that's really what we're trying to do, is create an impactful text effect in this. All right, we'll grab that. We'll get it centered on the screen. First thing we want to do is we want to change the font to red. This can really be any color that you want. Duplicate it, line them back up, go to effects, go to hollow. We want to take this thickness down to 0. Right now we should be able to basically see that. We want to keep them lined up. Right, and then this is where this effect is so easy now. We'll go here to elements. I'm just going to grab a rectangle, and I'm going to size this rectangle across the design. I'm going to make him, about an inch or so wide. Let's change him to black. And we'll duplicate it, and we'll put another bar down at the bottom. And now the last thing to do is just to get our layers correct, and that's by bringing the hollow type up to the top. And there you have it. There's your design. Super simple, super impactful. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll talk to you next time. Here's a few other videos that YouTube thinks you might like. I hope to check them out. We'll talk to you again next time. Bye.